We look into a unique or formulation which requires accurate interpretation of objective. In a baseball game with a batter and a pitcher, the objective for pitcher is to minimize batting average while the batter wants to maximize the batting average. This cannot be constructed as an OR problem, but we will try to see how the interpretation is realized. Pitcher either throws a fast or a curved ball and the average changes based on prediction by the batter. We would look into the problem from batter and pitcher perspective using OR model in Python. We import the package for solving OR problem and data manipulation. For OR we use Pulp with CBC Solver, and Pandas is used for data preprocessing. The data for baseball problem involves batter and pitcher. Jim is the pitcher and Joe is batter. We will formulate and analyze the situation for each of them separately. Batting average is dependent on actual thrown ball and prediction by the batter. Since the ball can be thrown either fast or curved, and similarly prediction also can be fast or curved, we have 4 alternatives. These are ball thrown fast and predicted fast, ball thrown fast and predicted curved, and so on. Batting averages also vary accordingly, with high average for accurate prediction by the batter. We also enumerate a list pred which will be used in OR formulation. The problem is based on assumptions that prediction would lead to accurate implementation by the players, which may seem flawed, but this is not an accurate representation of problem, and we want to realize the situation in OR formulation. First we formulate the problem for batter Joe, who wants to maximize the batting average. We create the class maxBattingAv. Initialize the class with the method and feed the data to it instantly. Next, we define the problem self.prob for maximizing the batting average. Next we declare binary variables self.varList for ball thrown and ball predicted from the list self.pred. After declaring the variables, objective function is defined. The objective function is summing up batting averages for all the combinations under the self.pred, which is put forth in the problem as self.varList. The constraint in the problem is for ball thrown I.e fast or curved, then batter can either predict or not predict. The formulated problem is then invoked for solving with solve method. Please note we also write a .lp file, which is a good way of checking accuracy of model with data. Other methods are for getting the status, objective value and variables value. Finally, the formulated model is solved to see the interpretation. The variable value suggests that batter would like to accurately predict the ball. Similarly, we model the minimizing case for pitcher and find that Jim would like to deceive the batter to minimize the batting average. The code for the problem in this tutorial and previous tutorial are shared publicly on GitHub. The links are under the respective videos. Thank you.